Hi guys, it's Linda with Solstice Ltd. For those of you who don't know me, I am a jewelry designer and a DIY maker. I love everything that has to do with art and has a beginning and an end to it. And I've always thought about having my own DIY kits. And I thought before I jump into it, I would see what other people are doing out there and with their kits. So I looked online and I saw a bunch that I really liked, and I purchased one, and I thought I would open the box, review the product, and make it along with you folks to see what you guys think as well. My goal is to inspire and to create happiness through art and to build self-esteem and self-love. So let's get started. So the DIY kit I bought is from Strung on Nails, and it's a company that I found online. So let's take a look inside the box. Ooh, that's dangerous. It was really fast shipping, so I like that. Ugh, okay, there we go. And let's see what's inside here. Oh, it's a little kit. And what it is it's a wooden block that you hammer nails into, and then you do your string art around it. So let's open that up. Let's just cut it a lot quicker. Okay. So here's the board. And it has the holes already pre-drilled. And these are the nails inside. So it comes with all the nails. And I think I read online that you did need to have your own hammer, so I have mine here. And here is the pattern. And oh, you'll need hammer and scissors, which I got. And here are the 3 different color strings that come with it. So let's get started with this project. So let's begin by hammering the nails in the pre-made holes. Okay, so I hammered all my nails inside the pre-made holes so you could see what's happening as I have 3 hearts stacked on top of each other. And it says to take the string and to tie it on a nail. So I'm going to choose this nail here. And let me turn it around. I'm going to go here and I'm going to tie a double knot. Then it says to go ahead and start stringing your string around the nails. So I'm just going to go around the 1 heart with this lighter blue string. Oops. I do it a couple times. And there's really no exact pattern of doing it. You just have to do whatever you feel is right.
So I'm going to go around it a couple times. And then I can go ahead and start push it down a little bit. So go ahead and just start stringing it onto the nails. I think it said to do a zigzag pattern at first. So I finished wrapping each of the hearts, and I think it came out pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead, it says to take some glue and just put a little glue on each of the knots that I tied on the hearts. So I'm going to just put a little dab of glue so it holds everything together. Ooh. And okay, let's go ahead and cut. So that's how it looks. I think it came out pretty good. I think I started getting the hang of it on my last heart. I think my last heart, the darker heart, came out the best. But I had a lot of fun. And I think it's going to look really cute once I get it hung on a wall. And I'm very happy with it. What do you guys think? So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this beautiful string nail art by Strung on Nails. And I wanted to give it a review out of 10 stars. I give this project an 8.5. It was very fun to make. It was easy. The directions were easy to follow. And I like the end results. You can find Strung on Nails on her Etsy site. I'll put a link below. But she has all different kinds of string art that you could make. Bigger pieces. I think she even does some custom pieces. So you should go check her out. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. If you would be so kind to share and like and follow and hit that like button.